So this is how you're going to be able to sign up and use RedNote.
So first of all, you go to your Play Store or your App Store, and then you search for RedNote right here. So this is the logo. This is how you're going to see the application, and I've already installed it. And then you tap on open, and then you are going to see this interface, and then you can choose to log in case you have an account already. But if you don't have an account, you just tap on this side right here to check this box right here, and then you tap on other login methods. So now you can choose Facebook or you can choose Gmail, and you're going to check this mark right here too, and then you tap on Gmail, and then it's going to show you your email option. So you tap on any email you feel like you want to use, and then it's going to give you this interface. Now you are in the app. So this is how the app looks like. And if you want to just check your profile, you tap on this side right here, and then you're going to be able to change your profile, change your date of birth and all that. But the app looks this way, and it doesn't really look like TikTok because you're not going to get a chance to scroll like TikTok, but you're going to get this feed right here, and then you can pick on whatever you feel like you want. But aside that, you can choose this side right here, and then you're going to see videos, and then you can choose this side right here, and you're going to see live videos. These are people who are live, and then we have fashion, food, manicure, and then wallpaper. Depending on the options, you are going to be able to pick all you feel like you want. And afterwards too, you can see nearby right here where you can get people who are closer to you, and then also you can see follow right here, people you follow. So in case you follow anyone, you're going to see their videos or their pictures right here. You can see that I have not followed anyone. And when you come to the profile, you're going to see shop, you're going to see others, you're going to see cards, which these other ones too are also parts which are in Chinese. I don't know why they are in Chinese, but I'm sure later there's going to be an update which is going to help change these options. Because when you come to this side right here, creator center 2, it doesn't work at the moment. You can see, let's go back. You tap on this side right here, you're going to see that it's not working. Like function upgrade not open. So that means future updates are going to be available for us. So let's try this one right here. Let's go to explore, and then we come to for you, and then you're going to see how it looks like. This is it. So you swipe up like this on the for you page, and it's going to take you to the next videos right away. And that is pretty much very cool. So for the for you page, you're going to see it like this, like how the Instagram explore page looks like. Immediately you swipe down, it refreshes, and then new set of videos are going to pop up. But when you want to watch a video, you just swipe up like this. But it's different for photos. When you come to photos, like this one right here, when you tap on the photo and you swipe up like this, it's going to give you the comments of the photos. And that is different when it comes to videos, because you can swipe up to next video, next video, next video. And then with live too, you're going to be able to see people who are live right away like this. You can see. And most of them are Chinese people, because this is a Chinese app, and I'm sure later you're going to see people coming up on the app. And I mean, it's going to be very fun. So in case you want to try this application, just download it. Being it Android or iOS, you can just get it, and that is pretty much very cool. Don't forget to subscribe and also share with your friends, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.